We are leveling up. This video is an update for all of you subscribers and members because we've made some exciting decisions about the direction of our channel, and I want to share what's changing, why it's happening, and what you can expect moving forward. But first, a little story time and some context. If we haven't met, I'm Andrea, a Schroth certified physiotherapist. I started this channel in 2021 as a bit of a side project to my main project, which was the ScoliClinic. And if you're new here to our channel, we are a growing clinic based in Vancouver with 2 satellite locations in nearby cities. And our team provides curve-specific physiotherapy and registered massage therapy to people of all ages who have scoliosis, Sherman's kyphosis, spinal fusion, and other related conditions. Our work is grounded in the principles from the Barcelona and German Schroth methods, as well as the Italian SIAS method. And we've integrated those with other treatment techniques that we found to be effective for people with spinal conditions. We've been steadily refining how we operate here in clinic, making sure that our clients not only receive excellent treatment, but that they also have a smooth experience with our booking, our policies, our clinic environments, our website, socials, all those things. And so as you can imagine, it's been a lot of work and stress, but it's truly been a labor of love and something that has been so meaningful to us. And then life threw us a few curveballs. In 2022, we had a major flood at our Vancouver clinic. We had to spread out our operations across our other locations and temporary locations and do this whole full clinic renovation to a clinic that, mind you, we had just built in 2020. We survived it as a business. And then, believe it or not, another flood hit in 2024, and this one was even worse. It got super cold in Vancouver and a sprinkler pipe froze and burst, and it was literally raining inside the clinic, and that's when we decided to move to a new location for good. Somewhere in the middle of all that chaos, I also completed my MBA degree, which was an incredible experience, but I'll be honest, it nearly broke me to handle all of that at the same time. So that's a bit of background as to why our channel has maybe been a bit sporadic over the past 4 years. Fast forward to now, we've built an incredible leadership team here at the ScoliClinic, and that's allowed me to step back from day-to-day operations. I've made the decision to commit more time, energy, and resources to growing TSC Connect, which is now the ScoliClinic Connect. That means more consistent content, more value for our members, and a clear structure going forward. Scoliosis affects 3% of all teenagers and somewhere between 30 to 50% of older adults worldwide. Yet the vast majority of those people don't have access to scoliosis-specific care like what we provide in our clinic. There just simply aren't enough trained providers worldwide, and many of you have shared that exact struggle with us on our channel. That's why we started TSC Connect, to share educational content and accessible scoliosis-friendly workouts for people who may not have a clinic nearby but want to improve their movement and get stronger and maintain their fitness. And I believe that everyone with scoliosis deserves baseline information and tools that help you move with more confidence and awareness and help you improve your strength and fitness in a mindful way that supports your spinal curve. Let's get to the good part. So here's what's changing on our channel. I'm revamping our membership options. So we're shifting around some perks and introducing new membership tiers with exciting perks like discounts on products, on merch that we hope to have soon, on webinars and other educational events, some longer ad-free workouts, exclusive Q&As, and even surprise perks when we hit those big milestones, which I believe that we can do. So yes, pricing is changing, but with that comes a lot more value. And you'll see all those details on our memberships page that show the tiers and the perks. And as part of this, we're committing to a more regular publishing schedule. Our goal is to release a video each week. Most of these will be the scoliosis-friendly workouts, and I'm aiming for 1 educational video per month because those take a little bit longer to create. And of course, we'll sprinkle in YouTube shorts throughout the month as we're able. To our current members, thank you so much for being with us through this trial phase. Your support has meant the world to me. And now I really am excited to be making the ScoliClinic a main focus of mine. And I really hope these new offerings continue to serve you and empower you. So whether you're here for movement education, tips for living with scoliosis, or you just want that little weekly nudge to stand tall, of course, from the inside out, I am so happy that you're here. As always, I'm open to your thoughts, your questions, your feedback. And so I'm so thankful for all of you for being a part of this growing community, and I'll see you soon.